Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the best AI program out there right now that has so many features that no other AI tool can match. Be sure to watch until the end, because I'll show you the best features and even put a link to a free trial in the video description. The tool I'm talking about is Copymatic. First, let's have a look at one of my favorite tools, the blog post writer. I show you how easy it is to use. Let's get straight into it. Let's set the creativity on high. Write me a blog post about turtles and the sea. As keywords, we take turtles and sea. Let's move on to the title. You can write your own or click Generate Title. Pick the best one. For the intro, you can write your own again or have one generated for you. Just choose the best intro for you. Let's move on to the Outline tab. Just pick the best one for you. Last is the content. You can again choose between writing it yourself and letting it be generated. Now you have your entire text in front of you. There are so many AI tools you can use. My favorite tools are first the blog post writer, very good for school and work. Then the article generator, it can be used again for both personal and work use. If you work with images, I highly recommend Image Generator. Here is an AI generated image. There are also tools for business use, such as the social media post. No matter what subject area you need the AI for, you'll find it here. Now let's look at the prices. Here is an overview of the pricing. The best price is the annual subscription. If you want to sign up for a free trial, you can use my link in the video description. Anyone who signs up with this link will also get a free step-by-step guide on how to create a blog post in 30 seconds using this AI tool. Goodbye.